night when I took the time to examine a napkin in a Chicago hotel room. I wasn't alone, it was a night after a show. The space was full, energy was consumed. There was a girl, emphasis on the L. She was noticing the detail as well, and the two of us found something with each other previously undiscovered. Hell is for the lovers, and the daylight is bright, always makes me squint, but it feels like magic when it touches my face. Suffocate myself, overwhelm myself, and let the sun rays abandon me floating through space. And she still wonders why I'm so insecure. She giggles because I sleep with a body pillow. Intentions are never nothing short of pure, but there's a price to pay when you try to live a little. And as attractive as that napkin ever could have been, my how it unfolded, hold it to the wind. Try now to be a rock, but she's caught under the skin. Ex-lover and a best friend, just like the rest of them. Then there was this one night I stopped to watch someone bite the tip of a cigarette to hold it in between her lips. Never met nobody like her. Please brace yourself, danger, danger, this might hurt. The playground feels a lot different when the sun's out. She wasn't messing around, she came in with her guns out, screaming about the ocean. Anybody wanna go with me? Never knew punk rock could be so pretty. Now catch your breath and then catch the ball, and sit by the phone so you can catch the call. Writing catchy one-liners on the bathroom stall. Here I go, wouldn't you know, still learning to crawl. And she still wonders why I'm so insecure. She giggles because I sleep with a body pillow. Intentions are never nothing short of pure, but there's a price to pay when you try to live a little. I've always done the way you love, the way your tattoos intimidate men. I guess I'm one of them, standing right next to you from way over here. Ex-lover and a best friend. Then there was this one night, I noticed a tree that stood by itself about an hour up north. And I can picture her holding on to the limb, wearing a summer dress and a grin, swinging back and forth, talking about the breeze, how easy it is to leave all the worries in the back seat. Teach me please, I need the abilities to live. Silly me, I tried to measure it by what I could give you, but she didn't need anything, just a pair of ears, some strong fingers, and someone to share the tears. Bred the fear, feeling it inadequate. Now let's make believe that I can handle it. She still wonders why I'm so insecure. She giggles because I sleep with a body pillow. Intentions are never nothing short of pure, but there's a price to pay when you try to live a little. And I still get to talk to you every now and then. Definition of over doesn't have to be the end. It's good to see you grow, girl, shake my hand. That's all I want from my ex-lover and my best friend. I got your back. Don't ever fucking question that. I got your back. I'll always have your back. I still got your back.